First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister for presenting this budget which is in line with the aspiration of the people, in line with the aspiration of the youth, in line with the aspiration of all section of the population. So we have seen that the strong foundation which being laid by the MDA1 is being carried forward, not only carried forward, strengthened for the benefit of the people of the state. That's why I totally agree with the Honorable Chief Minister who termed this budget as the people's budget. So, we have seen that many sectors have been touched in this budget. One very important sector which is the youth empowerment. I'm very glad that the government has speak so much and have the roadmap to empower the youth of our state. So this is a welcome step, sir. And number two, sir, as the MLA of 7 Amlarem constituency, I'm very glad that many subdivisions have been upgraded to the district. I didn't ask for the subdivision, Amrem subdivision, to be upgraded to district, but Amrem is the oldest civil subdivision in the state, being established in 1976. So most of its counterparts have been upgraded to the district. What I want to ask is that to develop the Amlarem subdivision, the headquarters of the Amlarem subdivision, Amlarem, into a beautiful town. Because Amlarem is not only Amlarem subdivision, it is also a center of tourist attraction. And Amlarem, with a growing population and growing economic activities, it deserves to have the facilities as the oldest subdivision in the district. The very important thing which we have to have, so despite of being since 1976, though it have its office complex, but it needs a new administrative complex, the subdivisional complex, because as of now, since 1976 till date, though MDC election counting is being done in Amlarem subdivision, in Amlarem, but for the MLA, it could not be done because the office itself could not meet the criteria for the election commission to conduct even the counting of votes for the LA election in Amlarem. So there is a need for administrative complex at Amlarem to meet the needs of the people. And number two, Amlarem is in the tri-junction of the Amlarem subdivision, where the east, the west, the north, and the central, is in fact quadrilateral. 4 junctions have been in Amlarem. So we urgently need the ring road for Amlarem town. So because this will ease the congestion in that junction, not only ease the congestion, it also expand the village, the headquarters into other part of the area with the help of this ring road. And number 3, sir, yes, we have the stadium, we have the indoor stadium in Amlarem. What we need, sir, is the stadium need to be have the AstroTurf in that stadium so that the people of the subdivision could have use that facilities for their own benefit. As you know, sir, that many of the sports persons, especially in the football, are coming from the part of the Warjangtia, which is in Amlarem subdivision. And number 4, sir, water supply. Yes, Amlarem has been covered by JJM. But sir, this is not only the problem of Amlarem, it is a problem also of the different villages of different part of the state, that the JJM could not cover the whole area. So we need, the Amlarem headquarters need the augmentation from the state scheme so that it could cater the water to the need of the people. And moreover, sir, yes, JJM, we have seen that the policy is that to give the water to all the household. But sir, village is expand every year. Who will take care of different villages in the state which are expand? So there should have the master plan for not only for Amrem, for the part of the state, so that as and when the town or the village expand, the need of the people could be catered. And number five, sir, which I want to request is that in Amrem, sir, I'm very happy that the government in 2021 has sanctioned many schemes on the tourism. And tourism has a lot of potential in the subdivision, not only potential, but we have seen that it will raise the economic condition of the people. So we have so many tourist attractions. We have to develop more so that the people of the state, the subdivision, and the people of the other part of the country, when they come to visit the state, they will have the facilities and also they could reach in time. And regarding the state, sir, what we need, sir, is that we have to have the proper landfills, sir, all over the states. This is the problem which faced yesterday, today, and we will aggravate more in the future, sir. So I request the government to look into facilities not only for the Shillong and Juai and Tura. We have to look also at the different towns in the different part of the state, so that the problem of sewage management, the problem of waste management could be catered, so that the people living in the vicinity of that area should not have the problem. And last, but not the least, is the problem faced by the hawkers in different parts of the state. So we have seen that we have developed a town, we expand the road, but road become a place to sell their goods or waste. And I'm afraid, sir, New Shillong Township, what will happen to it if the government does not have a master plan to help this low-income group to have their own economic activities, so that how we could balance the economic life of the people, the livelihood of people, and also the development of the state. And last, sir, I'm very happy that the government of India and the government of Meghalaya, that we have got the permission to start the B.Ed, Fourier Integrated B.Ed course in Kiangnongba Government College. What is the need now? The result of the class 12 is coming in the next few weeks, coming out, and everything is in place. So we need to start the course, sir. And the course, so the need of the hour now is that to prepare the criteria for admission into this 4 years integrated course, to prepare for the future of this. So this is the need of the hour. So last but not the least, sir, last, sir, we know that the government of India have recognized 3 blocks as the aspirational block. One is your block, sir, Risbel Para, and Umling block, and Amrem block. So I request the government to earmark some fund in convergence with the central scheme to develop these 3 blocks, so that as per mandated by Honorable Prime Minister, so that this block also could be developed as the model block for different part of the state. With this word, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, for the beautiful budget which you present to the people of Meghalaya. Thank you very much.